Hi guys, it's me again, Fly With Me FPV, and what I have here is a 5-inch frame that was sent to me by Transtec or Transtec Hobby. If you want to check them out, go, put the URL transtechhobby.com, because if you just Google Transtec, you'll might find a hard time finding the website out. Anyways, this frame is called the Hybrid S, or Laser Hybrid S, I think. So let's quickly open it and see what's in it. Okay, so yeah, it's very nice packaging actually. One of the few frames that actually came in a box. There you go. So Laser S Hybrid. It has an instruction manual, very nicely done. Well, clear with I know, Chinese and English. What you got with it? Some stickers, battery straps. This frame actually comes with the camera, 3D printed mount, and these are two types of antenna, VTX antenna mount that you could use. One would be the bigger one, like the bigger Axie, and then one is for those smaller ones that recently came out, like the Singularity. So let's just open it up. There you go. That's what came with it. And this is a non-slip pad that will, I think, go underneath the frame. So there you go. That's what came. Now, nicely individually segregated or packed screws. There you go. Vibration absorption. I think this will go between the frame and the screws. This is one of the things that I like. They're using 70-75 aluminum standoffs and a bunch more screws. Now, the frame itself, look at that. It's vacuum sealed. Yeah, kudos to Transtec. This thing is well packaged. Now, you could easily find this from different vendors in Canada and in the US. I think GearBest sells them too. From the Transtec website, it's retail at $69, and so it's not that expensive, but it's definitely not on the cheap side of frames. And I'll show you why they priced it at that. So let's quickly open this up. Vacuum sealed, and then we'll measure the thickness of each part. Okay. Sorry. Let's get the box out, and yeah, these arms are really nice. There you go. So look at that. The screws. Look at the countersunk screw holes. Really good, really nice. And the arms. Let's measure the arms. So that's 0. The arms are, I know, on the website it says 5mm 3K, but it seems like it's 6mm. Wow, that's nice. So 6mm arm, guys. If you're really like thick arms, skinny ones, this probably would be a good choice for you. There's a base plate, there's 4 arms, and these are the the pieces that would hold the arms and hold them to the base plate. And then the top plate, where the I'll assemble it anyways. So yeah, what are the key things here that are worth to mention? Is 3K carbon, 6mm, and look at all the pieces. They're nice and smooth. Chamfered, I think that's the word. Yeah, see, don't even get splinters by just rubbing it. And all of the pieces are like that, because I've seen frames where only some parts of the frame are chamfered and smooth, but others are not. So this is every piece. So you got 4 arms, base plate, top plate, and these things to hold the frame or the arms to the base plate. Nothing really special. And as I mentioned a while ago, these are the 3D printed antenna mounts that came with it, squishy ones. I don't know, TPU, whatever. I'm not doing 3D printing, but we got an option for the big one and small one for the Singularity. And this is the, I really like this because from the pictures I've seen, the camera is really protected. However, you're very limited, because not very limited, but you can only use certain cameras like the micro ones, like the Cadix and the run cam, but you can't really use like full-size cameras like this. Wouldn't fit. See? So anyway, it's not a biggie. I mean, that's where the industry is heading anyways. We're gonna get rid of those cameras you know, in a few months or years. All right, so after 10-15 minutes of you know, putting it together, this is how it looks. And I just want to go over some of the things that it took me a few minutes to figure out. So again, if you're watching this, it's either you bought the frame already, you wanted to see how it's built, or you're shopping around for another 5-inch racing frame, or you just happen to be, you know, a good friend of mine and just watches my video. Well, thank you either way. Now, front arms, back arms, different length, so it's not interchangeable. Out of the box, you might like, why this doesn't align or something. So short arms will go in front, wherein when you put it together, these holes will be pointing forward. You can verify that from the Transtec Hobby website. That's how they build it. And the back is longer, wherein the holes are actually pointing this way. Now, this is a dead cat sort of kind of frame, wherein the front arms are slightly, you know, towards each other, and the back part is kind of wider, like, you know. So these arms are longer than that one. Now, if you're building this, these grommets are, I mean, in my opinion, these are, whoever designed it really thought about it. These grommets are, this is the first time I've seen grommets like this. The base plate is actually drilled specifically for this grommet, because if you put it together, make sure that this is flushed, because this is a countersunk hole. Make sure this is flushed, that goes into the countersunk part of the hole, or else it will, you know, protrude and it doesn't look, it's ugly, it's not symmetric. Underneath, if you notice, the screw will actually go into the grommet, and it has a bit of a, you know, that's really brilliant, because when you put your battery here, it will grab the screw a bit, but if you press it and tighten your battery strap, it will push and bite into this part of the grommet, and it will bite to the, what do you call that, anti-skid pads. So love that design, and again, this is the first time I've seen grommets like this. It's really good. Now on the top part, there's a part there wherein, you know, it will either, if you want to use this configuration with a metal screw, or you could use nylon, which I did, nylon screws before putting in my 4-in-1 ESC. So, you know, it might help in absorbing vibrations, but yeah, that's you know, well thought of design there. Now it also supports, if you notice that, it will also support a 20 by 20 stack, and of course a 30 or a 30.5 by 30.5 stack. Yeah, again, 6mm arms. I measured that earlier. Now let's, top plate is what is that? I don't know, 2 point something, yeah, almost 3. Base plate is about, yeah, 3mm. So 2 point something top plate, 3 mil base plate, 6mm arms, and it's all 3K carbon, all chamfered, really smooth. You know, I've been kind of, you know, rubbing my fingers there, not really getting any splinters whatsoever. 3-hole configuration for your for the motor screws, and yeah, TPU. Sorry, I know, I'm not sure if this is TPU, but 3D printed mount for your camera and for your VTX antenna. Comes with 2 options there if you're using the smaller ones, the micro axis or singularity, and these are the ones that come with, you know, the regular axis ones. Perfect, look at that. It goes with Foxy Lollipop, fits in there too. Now let's weigh this thing, dry weight with no electronics. Oh, 0, here you go. So 87 grams. So yeah, the frame itself with you know, 3D printed mounts there, it is 87 grams. Now on the Transtec website, it says that it has a 218 mm from motor hole to motor hole. I doubt that's the case, because again, this is a, you know, a dead cat configuration. So if we do that, oops, sorry, I'm not on the wrong. I'm on a, yeah, it's about, I don't know, 225. Yeah, from diagonally. So that's how you measure. But when you go this way, that would be about 135, and at the back it's 165. So yeah, it's I know where the 218 came from. Maybe I'm measuring it the wrong way, but 218 is definitely not from motor to motor diagonally there. So anyways guys, this is the Transtec Hybrid S or Laser S Hybrid frame that Transtec sent to me. Again, thanks to Evan K for facilitating and helping me to, you know, get these frames. I say frames because I got 2. So if you like what you just watched, please do subscribe to my channel and make sure you click that bell button so that you get notified for new, or get notified if I upload a new video on my YouTube channel. Again guys, thank you very much, and till the next video.